Okay, so we have to see now that what is responsible for such shape of TVC and total cost. The thing that is responsible for such shape of total variable cost and total cost is nothing but your law of variable proportions. Remember that in the short run, at the initial level of output, if I am talking output till third output, okay, till third output, the producer is employing. Why the producer is able to produce more? Because he or she is employing more variable factor on the given fixed factor. So initially there will be more productivity. Initially, at the initial stages, there will be more productivity. When the producer will employ more variable factors on the given fixed factors, there will be more productivity. Okay, and your productivity and cost are two sides of the coin. If there is more productivity, the cost will be less. So more productivity, less cost. That is why at the initial stages, when the producer is employing more variable factor on the given fixed factor, he is getting more productivity from that, and due to that more productivity, his cost is less. That is why at the initial stages your TVC and TC are increasing and decreasing rate. Although the TC and TVC will increase because we are employing more labor, ultimately my cost will increase, but it will increase at decreasing rate. जो उसकी बढ़ने की तेजी होगी वो कम होगी. There are two things. बढ़ना चीज अलग है, बट एक चीज कितनी तेजी से बढ़ रही है वो अलग चीज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन इंडिया, ओके, द ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ कोरोना वायरस इज मोर देन दैट ऑफ अमेरिका. दैट मीन्स अमेरिका में भी कोरोना वायरस केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, इंडिया में भी कोरोना वायरस केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन स्पीड किसकी तेज है? इंडिया की स्पीड ज्यादा तेज है, ज्यादा तेजी से बढ़ रहे हैं एज कंपेयर टू अमेरिका नाउ. ऑलराइट, इंक्रीज होना अलग बात है, और ग्रोथ रेट, कोई चीज की स्पीड होना, किसी ग्रोथ की स्पीड होना, वो अलग बात है. अगर दो लोग पास पास बाइक चलाएं, ठीक है, और एक 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर से चलाए और दूसरा जो है 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर से चलाए, बढ़ेंगे तो दोनों साथ में ही, बट वो 60 वाला आगे निकल जाएगा, 20 वाला पीछे रह जाएगा, है ना. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, दैट एट द इनिशियल स्टेजेस, due to more productivity, your total variable cost and total cost is increasing, but it is increasing at decreasing rate. It is not increasing that much. Alright, that is why there is less cost increment at the initial stages. But ultimately at the higher output, what happens? This is the lower level of output and this is the higher level of output. And ultimately at the higher level of output, when the employer is employing more variable factor on the given fixed factors, the productivity declines due to the diminishing returns. Okay, so now here less productivity will be there. Less productivity will be there, and same will be the case of TC, and less productivity means more cost. More cost increment. I have told you that productivity and cost are एक सिक्के के दो पहलू जिसे बोलते हैं. अगर प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ रही है तो कॉस्ट कम होगी, और प्रोडक्टिविटी कम हो रही है तो कॉस्ट बढ़ेगी. Alright, write it somewhere that your productivity and cost are inversely related. Alright, that is why the shape of TC and TVC are like this, because of law of variable proportions. At the initial stage, when the producer employs more labor on the given fixed factor, he is able to achieve more productivity, and his total cost or total variable cost increases at decreasing rate due to what was your first stage? Due to increasing returns to a factor. Okay, due to increasing returns to a factor, due to increasing returns to a factor at the initial stages, there is more productivity and less cost. However, at the later stages, at the higher output level, due to diminishing returns, to a factor, there is less productivity and more cost. I hope this whole thing is clear to you all. At lower level, due to increasing returns to a factor, more productivity and less cost, and at the higher output level, due to diminishing returns to a factor, less productivity and more cost. That is why the shape of total variable cost and total cost are inverted S shape. Alright. But why the shapes are same? The other question arises, why the shape of both TC and TVC are same? That I have told you yesterday, that the shape of TC and TVC would be same because whatever change that TC is having, it is due to the change in TVC only, because your TFC is constant. That is why both TC and TVC lies parallel to each other. Because your total fixed cost will remain constant all through, irrespective of the output level. So whatever addition is made to the total cost, it will be from the side of TVC, because it is your TVC only which is increasing. So whatever change TC will have, it will be equal to the change in TVC. The change in TC will be equal to the change in TVC because your TFC is constant. That is why both TC and TVC lies parallel to each other. That is why the shape of both TC and TVC are same. So there are 6 to 7 questions that are generally asked on the basis of the short run behavior of total cost, total fixed cost and total variable cost. I will keep on sending these questions with the daily report, and I'll send the notes also today. Alright.